the containment zone which was set up in Pattinam area. You all must be aware that a girl aged 14 years of age was tested positive yesterday morning. So accordingly, yesterday we had set up the containment zone in that area, and all the people in the containment zone are under medical surveillance. Nobody is allowed to come in and out of the containment area except for essential purposes. The contact tracing is also going on of all the primary contacts, and all the primary contacts have been home quarantined. So this is regarding the containment area which was set up in TR Pattinam. Today being Saturday, a lot of rush is expected at the Tirunallar temple. Tirunallar temple administration has done all the necessary arrangements as per the standard operating procedure issued by Government of India. We have deployed thermal scanners. Hand washing facilities have also been provided. Separate isolation area is there, and people have been posted here along with the revenue staff to ensure that all the devotees who are coming to the Tirunallar temple are following the procedures of social distancing, and all of the people are wearing masks. An inspection of the arrangements has been done today, and I am satisfied with the arrangements. I appeal to all the devotees to please ensure that they are adhering to the norms of social distancing in not only Tirunallar temple but also in all places of worship. This is very important if Karaikal as a district has to remain safe from the clutches of this coronavirus. The desilting in those 20 major rural drains will be done before the water is received in Karaikal. Apart from that, the minor channels which are there, they are already being desilted by the Block Development Office under Narega works. Apart from that, we are also in the process of mobilizing CSR funds for desilting other urban channels as well as the left out rural channels. Thank you.